Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I wore this week in an outfit of the week video, also known as OOTW. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below after you're done watching this video which outfit was your favorite. And we're just going to get started with Monday's outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's OOTW. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit is your favorite. If you have any questions where anything is from, feel free to ask, because I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love chit-chatting with you guys. You are seriously my BFF, and I'm so happy to have you here, and I'll see you guys back here very soon with my next new video. Bye guys!